Hi there, I'm Jodi Reinert. I have a super quick and creative card for you today with the Love and Courage stamp set. So I am using a thick basic white card base, and then this layer I embossed with the sunflower embossing folder. So it just gives a lot of depth and texture to this piece of strawberry slush. So I will go ahead and attach this to our card base. And then I have kind of a unique color combination because I'm pairing the strawberry slush with another new in color, and that is Secret Sea. So just a simple strip of Secret Sea cardstock, and that will go just a little bit higher than center right across the front. And then I took this image here. Some people I know have gone ahead and just cut this in half. I haven't been brave enough to do that yet. So what I did is I just stamped it 2 times, once in Strawberry Slush and once in Secret Sea. And then I've got the largest circle from the Stylish Shapes, and I'm going to go ahead and die cut each of these and then show you a little trick. All right, so I've got each of the circles, and then I'll go ahead and pull in my paper trimmer, and I'm going to take the one with Secret Sea and just line it up so that I just kind of guide the edge of the flower there with the groove in my paper trimmer. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut. You could use scissors if you wanted to. I just like having a little bit of a more precise cut with the paper trimmer. And then I will just put some adhesive on the back here and add it right over the stamped image in Strawberry Slush. So I'll go ahead and just place it right on top like that. So now I have 2 different colors on the one image with the Strawberry Slush flower and the Secret Sea greeting. I'll take just a few Stampin' Dimensionals and put those on the back and add it to the center of my card. I'll place it right in the middle here. And then the very last thing to finish it off, I'll take some of these Strawberry Slush gems. They've got a little bit of gold in there, and we will just add those to either side of the focal point. And that's it. Just a really quick and creative card with the Love and Courage stamp set. I hope you are inspired and enjoy working with this stamp set. Thanks for watching.